Hello everyone, welcome back to Investment Criteria, Financial Education for All. Today we continue our series on taxes with a very special topic, special tax considerations and planning strategies. Don't miss it because this is going to be very useful.
That's right, Emma. Today we're going to delve into special tax considerations and planning strategies that can help you minimize your tax burden and maximize your savings.
Perfect. So David, why don't you give us a primer on special tax considerations?
Sure, Emma. Special tax considerations are situations or events that can significantly affect your tax return. These may include changes in your marital status, the purchase of a house, investments abroad, or even events such as retirement or receiving an inheritance.
Wow, I didn't realize how many things can affect our taxes. Sophia, can you give us some more specific examples?
Of course, Emma. For example, if you get married, your filing status changes, which may affect your tax rates and deductions. Buying a home can provide you with deductions for mortgage interest and property taxes. Additionally, if you have income from foreign investments, there are specific rules about how to report that income.
Incredible. So David, how can we better plan our finances to take these special considerations into account?
Tax planning is essential to optimize your financial situation. Here are some key strategies. Tax considerations for self-employed individuals and independent contractors. 1. Self-employment taxes. Self-employed individuals must pay self-employment taxes, which include Social Security and Medicare taxes. These are calculated on the net income of the business. It is crucial to set aside part of your income to cover these taxes and make estimated quarterly payments to the IRS to avoid penalties. 2. Deductions for business expenses. Self-employed workers can deduct a variety of business expenses, such as home office. If you use a part of your home exclusively for business, you can deduct a portion of your home costs. Equipment and supplies. Anything you buy for your business, such as computers, software, and office supplies, can be deducted. Travel and food expenses. Business trips and some work meals are deductible.
Additionally, for those who are self-employed, it is also essential to keep accurate accounting of all income and expenses to ensure you are maximizing allowable deductions.
Brilliant. So David, what strategies can we use for long-term tax planning and minimizing taxes?
Here are some effective strategies. Strategies for long-term tax planning and minimizing taxes. 1. Retirement savings contributions. Contributing to retirement accounts, like IRAs and 401ks, not only prepares you for the future, but also offers immediate tax benefits. Contributions can be deducted from your taxable income, reducing the amount of taxes you must pay today. 2. Investment strategies. When investing, consider the tax implications. Long-term capital gains have lower tax rates than short-term gains. Investing in municipal bonds can provide tax-free income. Additionally, diversifying your investments among stocks, bonds, and real estate can help manage your tax burden.
And let's not forget the importance of staying informed about changes in tax laws, as they can have a big impact on your financial planning.
Definitely. So how can we make sure we stay on top of these changes?
Here are some tips. 1. Current tax legislation. It is crucial to be aware of changes in tax laws, as they can affect your deductions, credits, and tax rates. You can subscribe to IRS newsletters, follow financial news, and consult trusted online resources to stay informed. 2. Professional advice. Consulting a tax professional can be invaluable. They can provide you with personalized advice and advanced strategies tailored to your specific situation. Plus, they can help you avoid costly mistakes and maximize your tax savings.
And here's a practical tip. Always double-check your forms before submitting them. A small mistake can result in big problems or delays in your refund.
I definitely will, David. And friends, remember, this is just the beginning. Subscribe, like, and activate the bell so you don't miss anything. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Welcome to the channel, Investment Criteria. Financial education for everyone.